Welcome Lumen Architecture, also known as our music and theater crew.
Same volume and the size. One is lighter than the other one. Upon entering the portal, featured visitors will travel through the walkway, leading them to the activity of choice.
Oh. Astronaut ice cream bar.
Where did you get these, guys? Is this real? This is the
Yummy.
one.
Okay.
We are delighted to have been asked to work on this exciting new theatre project on Planet Rad by Blaney Rinker Associates. Around the auditorium, the 3D Netflix system provides up to 3,000 lumens per linear foot, with 2,700 K. However, if we find ourselves in some part of a multi-dimensional universe, we may need to do some further development work.
Sorry. Oh, okay.
Radio